Alright.
There we go. Boom. Boom.
She loves watching what Claire does, and then she does it and laughs.
Yeah.
Let's see. Go ahead, Claire. There goes Claire. Yay!
Oh,
There goes Rosalie.
Boom. Here we go.
Rosalie?
Boom. Boom.
Thank you.
She likes to copy Claire.
Yeah, already. 5 months old.
Here we go. Here we go. Boom. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Boom.
Aww.
You love your sis.
So cute.
Cute.